Glitch in the Matrix. Sup nerds? Fury Rider, bro. And today, we're going down to Harley again. We are gonna talk to them about maybe one day this thing will get traded up. I don't know. I kinda really doubt it though. I mean, I don't think it'll happen. Just being honest, you know. But we gotta go there anyways, because even if I don't trade up the bike, I gotta get stuff like primary oil and all of that good stuff for the 10,000 mile service. But I don't really got a lot to talk about on the way over there, so we'll just catch you guys when I'm over there. So see ya in 2 seconds. You know, I'm really just dying for your entertainment right now. It's so hot. Red, red wine. It's a really good song. I rather enjoy it. Well, we're here, and we're gonna see what's up. So I'll talk to you boys in a little bit. I'm ready. All right, nerds. So we're gonna test ride a 2018 lowrider. It's been a while since I've test road run, brother. Got Mike. I'm pretty sure his name was Mike. Super cool dude. He was in a punk band. Woo! Dude, that's like awesome. It's definitely a different stance, like from the iron. I'd have to get used to that, brother. I didn't adjust the mirrors like a smart guy. I should have, brother, but I didn't. We'll see. We got the paperwork done. We'll see about a trade-in. So far though, compared to the Iron Man, this thing is so smooth. I'm sure like everybody already knows that, testing the Milwaukee 8s and stuff. You've seen the videos, you've probably test rode them, but it's so much smoother than the Iron. Like, I feel different too, in a different seating position. The triangle feels a lot better. Yeah, it feels awesome, man.
And the lowrider's got the ergonomic handlebars, so it's supposed to be really comfortable, you know, more ergonomic for the long run.
Yeah, it feels a little weird throwing it. Are we turning here or?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, he's right. Like, it's supposed to be more ergonomic. It feels a little bit different for like turns and stuff. Holy shit, man. This thing wants to go. I know I got a lot of low end torque on the Sporty, but dude, that just like, whoo, you know, it just wants to go. And that feels nice. I like the blue too. I wasn't sure how I felt about it at first, but it's been growing on me. We'll see. Like I said, I don't got a very strong feeling that I'm gonna get it, but I mean, it does feel really good though. The seat is really comfy. Like, I'm just as surprised as everybody else about that. I forgot there was a f***ing stop sign here, brother. Don't run me over, please. I'd really appreciate it if you didn't do that. Woo! Dude, that that feels nice. You know, this 107's got like a lot of torque, man. I guess it's just because people are used to like the 114 or coming from the dyno, like the lowrider S. They're like, I don't like the bah, 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 bah. But dude, man, just laying on it, like you're like, hey, you know what? I want to go. Let's go. So let's go, brother. And then it goes. It's a different experience for sure. All right, here we go. We're gonna go on tramway now. So we'll get up to like 50 or 60. Ooh, dude, that's just third gear. Man, that felt nice. I didn't feel like I was getting pushed around like on the Iron.
Yeah, you got a lot more weight.
Yeah.
And you got a hydraulic clutch. You know these don't have hydraulic. I might did, yeah. I think it's a touring bike, but this clutch seems really easy.
Yeah. The friction zone is like nothing, man. And it'll get away from you, dude, in second gear. If I like go into it, it's like, whoa.
A lot of torque.
Yeah, it's got a lot.
Yeah.
I know people are like, oh, you know, the Sporty, I feel like I could get it out on the line, but this, yeah, man, I'm like,
You got that 6th gear, which you'll experience on the highway.
yeah. But yeah, it doesn't feel too cumbersome in the city. Highway's gonna really be the test. I want to see how it'll be in the highway. Normally at the iron, yeah, I see what he means. It'd be a little bit shaky here, but I don't feel that. Like at this speed, I'd be getting thrown around a lot more. I think it's because of the wind. This, like, I'm just cruising, dude. Just cruising. This is nice. So it was different. I was like, yeah, new exhaust, T-bars and a fairing. Oh, it'd be perfect all day. I wouldn't regret the iron at all.
Yeah, that's what I say. You won't miss it.
We just got to see if I could get on it. I don't know.
It's definitely possible, man.
Yeah, hopefully we'll see. Yeah. And with the exhaust, I said it's that needs to go because I can hear myself think.
Yeah, that's not good.
No, I feel like the whole point when you get on a bike, when you hear that, rah, you're like, I can't hear anything. Not even my thoughts.
And it sucks that we gotta sound that way, but they gotta be able to sound in all 50 states. In some states it's illegal. You know?
Yeah, California's
that's how they come with the stock. Yeah, this one's quiet too. It's all stock.
I mean, when you like really, it sounds, but
a couple slip-ons will make a world of difference.
Yeah, just slip-ons. But I'd probably do like a 2-in-1. Maybe short shots. I don't mind them. They're loud as shit too. So yeah, let's check out the paperwork, and we'll see. So we'll see in a second. So I'd have to get a co-signer for the lowrider, which is kind of what I was expecting. But I can try the switchback, and I'm not quite sure how I feel about it. We'll take it on a test ride and see. Kind of bagger bro, but we'll check it out. We'll see. I mean, if I do get it, it's got saddlebags, so that's nice. Let's see. If I like it, then forget about it, you know. But if I don't, then we'll be doing the iron still. So we'll see. We'll see how it do. But I'll catch you guys when we start the test ride. Forwards. Whoa. It was like a sofa. It's like a sofa, bro. Dude, this is really nice with the windshield, actually. You got them floorboards, brother. We'll see about the turn radius. It is a Dyna though, bro. Dude, I didn't even need, like, with the windshield, that's really nice. I don't even need the visor up, like, down. Oh, and wow, it's really different. This is pretty comfortable too. It's got that shake that I'm fine with. It's a Dyna, it's a 103. And now I'm getting used to the floorboards. I don't know, because I feel like, yeah, dude, I might not even need mids. Forwards feel different.
What?
The forwards, yeah. And the floorboards too. But it's really comfortable. Even with the windshield, it's ugly as shit, but dude, I was able to drive with the visor up. I didn't even realize for like half the time. I was like, oh shit, I got my visor up.
Yeah, this is nice too. Yeah, it's kind of nice not to get that wind in your face.
Oh yeah, it's like, it's really comfortable. The shake, I mean, it feels normal.
You hear the bags rattle?
Yeah, a little bit, yeah. But these bags are nice, and the red, I like the red.
They're hard and they lock too.
Yeah, I saw that. And then I'd be a real Harley bro on my Dyna, brother. I'd be a bagger bro. I'd be a Dyna bagger bro. Oh my god. If I did this. New pipes, obvi. Pretty chromosexual. Dude, I mean, second gear, going close to 40, getting barely like 3,000 RPM. This is, we'll see on highway, but so far, feels pretty good. In city, it feels pretty decent. I mean, it feels kind of nimble. This might be a smart decision, guys. It's kind of what I'm thinking. I mean, I haven't even gotten out of second gear yet, like, and dude, this is just like wind right over my head. It's actually getting kind of hot in the helmet, brother. But yeah, this is nice. It already sounds mean. I mean, yeah, here we go in the turn. Pretty decent. I'm not quite sure how I totally feel about it yet, but this one's definitely growing on me. And it tells you remaining mileage, so that's kind of nice. Got a gas gauge. And the bags too. Ooh, comes with bags. I like those stickers on there. Probably just take them off. Feels pretty good. It was comfortable though. Different experience for sure.
I don't like these as much on the highway. I don't know.
Yeah, it was kind of shaky.
I think it's the wheels are skinnier and it's lighter. I was feeling that with this one too. Like my cars, that's why I didn't go as fast. I don't want to start getting the death wobble, you know.
Yeah, that's what I was worried about too, but
It's just a different bike, you know. Get used to it.
yeah, I think so. Oh man, those forwards are comfortable as shit though. Nothing. I do like the shocks on this. Bro, maybe I was meant to be a bagger dyno, bro. Alright, nerds. Just ate some lunch. Ate some unhealthy McDonald's, brother. Now I'm gonna go get my teeth cleaned by the dentist. As you saw in that last ride, test rode the switchback. I'm not sure if I talked a lot during it. I really did enjoy it. It was different. At first I was like, I don't know about this. I mean, it's a dyno roll. And I realized that my whole life has culminated to the point where I need to be a dyno bro. I mean, I love the lowrider, but that switchback was really, really comfortable. And I really enjoyed it. Had a lot of power. I was reading, because I know there was a vibration. And I was reading a little bit about it, and they said that the switchback, especially the 2012s, had this like huge vibration issue, and that you could fix it by just getting a new exhaust, which is something I do. But then others said, no, it's this, it's that. We'll see about that. But either or, I really liked both of them. I like the switchback, the color of it. It's got about the same amount of miles as my bike, of just a little bit more. Everything I was reading, everybody seems to like them. Can't do that Road Warrior fairing. Doesn't work on the switchback, brother. But yeah, so I'm pretty interested in both of them. I mean, as soon as I got back on the iron, I immediately started to feel cramped up, and it just didn't, the triangle felt weird. Like those other bikes, the lowrider and the switchback, they really left an impression on me. At first I was like, oh man, this thing looks like a Road King. This thing is not gonna be nimble. And surprise, surprise, it was really nimble. Very comfortable, dude. Like, even more so than the lowrider. And I don't know, I just really liked it. It left a really good impression on me. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you didn't like the video, like it anyways. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what your thoughts were about the bikes that I tested. I mean, one was 2018, the other was 2012, so. And what you thought about the whole experience, brother. We will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Dude, man,